everyone, my name is Darwin Malto. Here in our area, there's a big problem. A lot of garbage is scattered near the seashore. This place is close to the school. So many students can see and smell the garbage everywhere. This is just about 5 meters away and trash can be seen everywhere. Sea is supposed to be wide and beautiful. But because of plastic cups, bottles, cans, tires, and other waste, it's now looks dirty and unpleasant. Some people come here at night to catch fish or get supplies, but the place has become unsafe. There are houses nearby, yet no one has taken the initiative to put up trash bins or organize a clean-up activities. These problems happens because there are no proper waste bins, and some people just throw their garbage anywhere. Because of this, the sea becomes polluted and the fish are harmed. It also affects the student and residents living near the bay. To help our environment. First is we can place trash bins near the seashore. Second, we can clean the area together as community, especially with the student. Third, we should post reminders and educate people about the importance of proper disposal. Let's protect our bay and keep Barangay Lapasan clean. Small actions like throwing trash properly can make a big difference. Once again, my name is Darwin Malto, reminding everyone, if we want a clean sea, we must start with ourselves. Thank you.